Da 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 ba ba do do be be ba be do do do. What is up, my people? I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh, pardon the messy bun here. Yeah. It is so hot in this house. It is ridiculous. I was like, I'm not putting my hair down there. You gotta be kidding me. Anyways, so I got my BoxyCharm box. It's my first one. I am so excited. Oh my god. Oh. So I subscribed to BoxyCharm, I want to say last month? Somewhere around there? Yeah, I think it was like last month sometime. So here it is. We are going to unbox this baby today. I'm so excited. I want to see what's in it. I really hope I'm not disappointed. Oh. Alright, you guys. Let's get to the video. Alright, so let's get this baby going. Let's get the tape off. Oh, and look what we did. I got it open. Yay. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, so, alright. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. I got a little brochure thing here. Caribbean Queen. Hello. 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 Yes. Alright, let's see here. OMG. I got some like new makeup brushes. Ow. Jeez. I got some new makeup brushes and they're from Luxie. I have never heard of them. But okay, let's see if I can get. Ooh. Okay, let's see here. Oh. Ah. Ooh. These are actually really soft, you guys. These are. I'm not mad. I am not mad. Not mad at all. So this one is a dual fiber brush powder. A duo fiber powder brush. Okay, okay. I could always use more brushes. I don't need the 300 that I already have. Okay, and then this one is the Precision Foundation. Ooh, so this is the foundation brush. Yes, yes, oh yeah. I really like these brushes, you guys. They're not bad at all. I'm really liking them. And then I got the tapered highlighter. Ooh, I can always use another highlighting brush too. So this is brush 522. This one is 660. 516. Alrighty. And these are what they look like. They're nice and cute and little pink. The bristles are very, very soft. I am, like I said, I am not mad at these, you guys. I just gotta find a cup to put these in. Yay. We'll put them in my mermaid cup. But this is called Sol de Janeiro. I don't have no idea. But here, you guys can try and pronounce that because, yeah, I can't. Fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. Ooh. Cream pour. Oh. Trying to read Spanish. Oh. I need an adult. Oh. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh. Oh. It helps smooth and tighten like no other. Alright. Well, we will try that. Okay, one more. Ooh, that smells really good. Battington Lashes. I could always use more lashes. Ooh, oh dude, this comes in a cute little box. I am excited for that one. And they actually have a little website, Battington Lashes. Ooh. Oh, those are pretty, you guys. That's really pretty. They don't feel rough at all. They're really, really soft. I'm a sucker for soft blushes, I'll tell you that much. Huh. Well, I am excited for this. I have never heard of Battington. Man, I am way behind in the makeup industry. That's sad. OMG, I got an Ofra lipstick. Awesome. Alright, let's stir it up a little bit because it's kind of liquidy. That's alright. That's okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Alright, so let's test it here and see. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know why I feel the need to smell everything. This literally has like no smell whatsoever, but that's okay. Okay, so it's not drying as quickly as I wanted it to. It kind of smeared, but I am still willing to give it a try. I actually have never gotten anything from... So I just wiped it off on my towel that I have right here. And even though it wasn't dry whatsoever, it came off completely. We will still see how it works. Do not worry. I have faith. So this Ofra lipstick is long-lasting liquid lipstick, Ofra Cosmetics. Verona. This is the shade Verona. Ooh. Sounds so pretty. Alright, so that will go in my next to use. Ooh, what's this? Next on the list is eyeliner. I could always use some eyeliner. Pencil! Oh, guys, I don't think I can do pencil. I mean, don't get me wrong. For the people who can use pencil, by all means, you do you. I just cannot use pencil, but like I said, I will give everything in this box a shot. I'm still thinking of how to do these, if I should just keep them doing unboxing and then do a video with my Ofra, and then do a video with my BoxyCharm makeup and try it all at once, or make a different video including what I got in my BoxyCharms and doing a full face makeup. So you guys tell me what you guys would want to see, whether I do it right then and now when I get the box, or do it later on and do a full makeup. Leave that down in the comments and I will read them all, and then I will tally them up and see which one wins. Now back to the eyeliner. So Jonteblu. I am so sorry if I'm pronouncing words wrong. Alright, so this is the shade 912 Charcoal Eyeliner Pencil. Let's see how this works. Alright. Yeah. That'll probably do good on the waterline, but since I do my eyeshadow first and then I use my liquid eyeliner, I don't see this being my favorite thing. I could maybe use it for special effects makeup. I could do that. But like I said, like I told you guys before, I'm going to try everything and see how it works. Oh, you guys, we got the eyeshadow palette everybody is talking about. Oh, let's see. Oh, I didn't think I'd see this in person, girl. Alright, let's take that out because I don't like those. Okay, so Alamar, I'm guessing. Alamar, I don't know, something like that. Cosmetics. Reina del Carmen Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. Volume 1, you guys! This is cool. Inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar. Oh. Featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades, ranging from the delicate shimmers to high shine metallics and velvety mattes. Okay, alright, okay. And this cruelty-free La Costa something. Yeah, I tried. I really did. Okay, so we're gonna try this pink one here. Let's see. Ooh, oh. Oh, you guys, look at that. Oh, girl, this is, So first, we're going to take the pink one, that one, and we're gonna do it with the finger, and I already showed you guys what that looked like. So we're gonna do, not mad at that at all. That would be a really good color for kind of like a inner corner eye or your highlighting brow. So we will take the eyeshadow brush and do it next to it. I'd say it was about even. The eyeshadow brush definitely made it more blended. This one, right there. Next we're gonna do the finger. Oh my god, you guys. Woo! Oh, lordy. Take that and do. We'll take the eyeshadow brush. You're definitely gonna have to apply different layers for the eyeshadow brush, but it still works, you guys. Oh. Alright, next we're going in with the Verona. This is pretty blue one. I'm a sucker for blue. OMG, you guys. Oh my Lanta. Next we're going in with our eyeshadow brush and testing that out. And once again, like I said, they're gonna have to take a little bit more elbow grease when it comes to the eyeshadow brush, but that's okay. I'm not mad at that. I am the blending queen, so yeah, I'm not mad at that whatsoever. Next we're going with Celia. I'm thinking that's what it's called, this one. And, ooh, that's a really pretty green. Oh, I'm a sucker for green. Ooh, that came out pretty. I'm loving the shimmer too, you guys. The shimmer is absolutely beautiful. Next we're going in with the Cocoa Taxi, and this is a matte eyeshadow instead of being shimmer. And then I'm gonna go with Tropico, I think. I don't know. Something like that. And then that's the red one right there. And then I'm going to go, I am not even going to try to pronounce that one. You're crazy. That one right there. Yep. And then I'm going to go with this brown one. And as I can see, I did all of them on the swatch right there on my finger. They actually are very, very highly pigmented when it comes to matte. I am not mad at that, you guys, at all. That is gorgeous. I'm a sucker for matte. I'm a sucker for makeup in general. So let's try. Let's take our eyeshadow brush and redo it. Let's see. Ooh. I do notice that it does have quite a bit of fallout, but what makeup doesn't? Seriously. I mean, every type of makeup will have fallout, and that was with the eyeshadow brush. That is amazing. I can understand why everybody was talking about this palette, because this palette is spectacular. I don't really have any flaws other than the fallout, but like I said, what makeup palette doesn't have fallout? Every single makeup palette that I own has some type of fallout. Not a single one doesn't have it. I don't know. But I am not mad at this palette, you guys. This palette is awesome. And I can see why everybody is all hyped about it and talking about it. It's a very good palette. The colors are wonderful. The formula is nice and creamy, especially when it comes to the shimmery and metallic colors. The matte colors are somewhat a little bit chalky, but I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at the colors whatsoever. They are really pretty. They're almost like fall colors, which is kind of funny, but at the same time, fall is my favorite season of the year. Alright, you guys, I want to thank you guys so much for coming to watch my video and unboxing the BoxyCharm today. I got the makeup palette, the eyelashes, the Ofra lipstick, the eyeliner. Oh my god, I am a happy kid. Alright, you guys, go ahead and leave me a comment down below or subscribe. Hit that like button if you guys want to see more videos. It really helps me out a lot. It also helps out you guys a lot. Helps out my viewers. Helps out pretty much everybody on YouTube and everybody watching. So, if you guys are excited, go ahead and hit the notification little bell, and that will tell you whenever I upload a video if you're interested. Whatever you guys want to do. So, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot do the heat. It is so hot. Oh my Lanta. It is so hot, you guys. Clean canvas, clean canvas, clean canvas. Clean canvas, clean canvas, clavicle. Where did that box cutter go? Don't ask me why I have a box cutter in my makeup station. Oh, time to get my box cutter out again, huh? This. Why is everything just Sarah approved? This isn't fair.